Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works. Out here in the shop today. Gonna have to do a little repair on one of my tools. Can you hear the hissing? Yeah. So my air compressor has a leak on the air release valve on the bottom that you use for draining the tank. It's not holding much pressure anymore, and it's time to fix it. So let's replace a quarter turn valve on a air compressor.
So this is a pretty simple process. Take the old one out, put the new one in. Started trying to use this little hex wrench, that wasn't working. So I got myself a set of locking pliers to break it loose. Realized I still had air in the tank, so I'm going to release the pressure in the tank here. And then I'll use that hex wrench to finish removing this drain valve. With the drain valve removed, I'll need to install the new one. I'm using a PowerMate drain valve. It's a 1/4 inch thread, quarter turn valve, using a little Teflon thread seal tape on it. This thing already had some sealant in there, but I was adding this just to be safe. With the tape on there, get it threaded back on there. Try to use the hex wrench. Once again, it's going to be pretty tight, so I switch back to the locking pliers to get it on there nice and tight, and then align the valve knob to the front. With the drain valve installed and properly aligned, I'm ready to put some air in the tank and test it out. Quick adjustment to the pressure regulator and we're all set.
So maybe I made it worse, maybe it's better, but there's no hissing. Hopefully I don't have a leak any longer. Only time will tell, but looks like that's one repair done. Back to my normal work. Hey, I'd like to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe, and I hope you'll press that like button. And I know that my compressor has a couple of air filters on the back that I clean out supposedly all the time, but that I clean out every once in a while, and I definitely try to keep this area dust free. I blow it off quite often and try to keep that compressor from sucking in a lot of the dust from my shop. But what do you do to maintain your shop, or to maintain your air compressors? I'd like to hear from you guys down in the comments. So thank you very much, and hit that like button, and I hope to see you later. Bye.